Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be painting the dashboard. Let's begin. Alright, to begin, I did dismantle the dash as much as possible. Most of it is going to get covered. That's going to get covered. All the wiring is going to get covered. Everything from the bottom is going to get covered. So I am removing the seats. I need to remove this one, but I need to clean the shop first before I can take it in, remove the seat. But there it is. We're gonna be painting the steering column, the steering wheel. Everything's gonna get painted. So let's just begin. And I did scuff it down with a maroon Scotch-Brite. That's where it's at right now. That's all it needs. We are gonna be applying some sealer, the paint, and the clear. Hoo-wee! It's a lot of masking, but there it is. We are ready to be painting the dash. Here we go, guys. Like I said, all I did was sanded it down with a red Scotch-Brite. I did remove the steering wheel. That's going to be painted separately, but here we go. Let's start by applying the sealer. There it is. The sealer has been applied. Now we're gonna wait 15 minutes for it to dry, then come back, start applying that paint. But everything is covered, guys. I think I took more time covering it than actual spraying. first coat. Remember, it has 3 coats and a control coat. So we're gonna allow this to dry 15 minutes. Right now it's 86 degrees in here. So we're gonna allow it to dry 15 minutes, then come back, apply the other coats and the control coat. Here we go, 3 coats of the base. Now we're gonna start doing a control coat. Right there, guys. Let me mix up the paint for the control coat and we'll be done with the painting. All we're gonna have to do next is just clear it. But there it is. Looking really nice. Perfect. Alright, that was a control coat right there. As you saw, I sprayed it farther away from the panel just to allow those metallics to land perfectly. And there it is. So we're gonna wait 15 minutes, then come back and apply about 3 coats of clear. Here is the first coat of the clear. Now I'm gonna apply 3 coats, but I'm gonna wait 15 minutes in between each coat. So this is the first one. I'll bring you back once the 3rd coat has been applied so that you can see it. Here it is, guys. 3 full wet coats. Yes, there is a little dirt nibs here and there, but that's no issue. I am gonna buff this area right here. I'm not about to flow coat it. I don't want to spend another 3-4 hours covering everything up just to flow coat, so I rather just buff it. But there it is. Came out looking real nice. It looks totally different from what it was. Now there is a big bezel that goes here, which is going to get painted. Also the glove box is gonna get painted, but that I can do separate. There's gonna be a separate video. I'm gonna show you how to paint the steering wheel. That's a little tricky, but we're gonna manage and we're gonna do it. But all in all, there it is, guys. Came out looking nice, looking real different from what it started, but looking really good. Now there's something that Denise, the owner of the vehicle, wants to tell Dominic. Dominic, she wants to say thank you for everything that you have done for her regarding the car and everything. You have gone way above and beyond. So she wants to say thank you and that she loves you a lot. There it is, guys. Now if you're not a subscriber, subscribe to the channel. I am getting some different vehicles that are coming up after this one. There's another lowrider that's going to be with a bunch of graphics. Even the frame's going to get painted, so that's going to be an interesting one for you guys. So subscribe to the channel so you don't lose any of these videos. Also hit that thumbs up, guys. It helps a lot. Remember, those thumbs up really help me a lot, so please hit that thumbs up. Also leave a comment, see what you think about this build. How is it going? How what else I can change? So leave it on the comments. But that's gonna be it, guys. Thank you very much, and like always, have a great week, have a great weekend, stay safe, and God bless.
Deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams, brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Midnight oil.